Okay. Hello.
Hi.
The gang is together.
Hello.
Hello. Just telling Andrea I was doing some accounting stuff and taking a summary of the Amex, and I wanted to categorize everything in there from January because the accountants need it. And the more I kept trying to refine how the results I was getting, like trying to get the right stuff, the worse it was getting. And that was in ChatGPT. So I took it over to Gemini because when I did it before, it just automatically did it correctly. And this time,
No, I was gonna say, I was thinking today. Oh, sorry, keep going.
oh, that's okay. It's just not working. Oh, Victoria's
Yeah,
frozen.
I was gonna say I was using chat today. I was thinking about that because I was using it to take note on the fire coach, and I was thinking about like maybe we could do a posting about it because like I don't know what happened, but like they brought the four back, but it's still making some mistakes that it wasn't before. And I even did some research and I saw some people making videos saying that they're also experiencing some problems. So I think that could be an interesting content.
Yeah. Yep. It is just not working well. Hi. Okay. Has everybody read the newsletter this week? No.
Nope.
All right. Well, I will do the news.
I got it on my other email address.
Oh, that is the wrong screen. That's weird. Okay. Here we go. Um, okay, the news this week. We have some interesting news about AI making new antibiotics and medicine for people that's custom, and also Google's new job creation vision. First of all, there are breakthroughs in creating new antibiotics for superbugs. So at MIT, researchers have used AI to discover a new class of antibiotics to fight drug-resistant bacteria like gonorrhea and MRSA. And they've been using AI algorithms to screen millions of potential compounds, and it takes a lot less time and then the traditional methods, of course. And we've seen this in doing custom medicine for cancer too. Um, and AI didn't find existing solutions. It actually designed entire new molecules that are structured differently from any current antibiotics. So it gives a completely different solution to the current issues. I can't wait to see this in action even more. We've seen a lot of progress in cancer as well, with custom made medicine within a couple of weeks for people that has cured their cancer. Uh, and the government is launching a new AI platform. It's supposed to be secure, and I'm sure it's just a wrapper on ChatGPT or, OpenAI. Most likely that's what they're using based on the relationships that we see. Um, and it's supposed to help federal employees be more efficient and serve the public better. Um, and I think it is just a government wrapper on ChatGPT. So we'll see how much it helps. We'll see if the government actually trains their employees, which we could do for you, government, just FYI. But it trains the employees on how to use it properly, or if we are going to get like ridiculous genericized emails, even more so in response. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. And NSF, which is the National Science Foundation, and NVIDIA have a partnership to establish the first ever national AI research resource, NAIR. So any ladies who ever use NAIR on your legs, that's kind of funny. Legs, face, armpits, whatever, to remove hair. That is now the National AI Research Resource, NAIR. And this initiative it's designed to provide researchers and students with access to advanced AI tools and resources. And it says students at AI2, which is Allen Institute for AI. I don't know that it's necessarily students. It could be interns that are there, but AI2 is in Seattle. That's where they are housed at the AI House. And Allen Institute has a big building in South Lake Union. They incubate companies there and new AI ideas. And so I'm guessing they're going to be getting some funding from the NSF and potentially NVIDIA as well. So Seattle is definitely pulling ahead in the AI race. There's a lot of talk about Seattle being bigger than Silicon Valley for AI innovation. And there are a lot of different things that would have to happen in order for that to hold steady. I still think we will see San Francisco, Bay Area, that ecosystem is going to develop more AI technology because they are more generous with funding and they take bigger risks there. Seattle's a bit more conservative than the Valley, and a lot of the Valley money comes up to Seattle as well. But I think it's a hard argument to make that Seattle is actually going to lead in AI innovation. But this is this is going to infuse Seattle with a lot more money, just that a lot of the tech talent still lives in the Valley. And there are a lot of companies that have locations in both. There's some recently that moved to the Valley because of the talent and the funding that's available there. And Google's CEO has said that he thinks that a lot more jobs are going to be created than are killed or done away with because of AI, and that people need to look at how AI is going to change jobs, but everybody needs to understand how to use AI in their jobs. And he is emphasizing that it will ultimately create more new roles than it replaces. So he sees AI as a powerful augmentation tool and will give employees superpowers, which we kind of talk about that, amplifying your magic, whatever that magic is. And he's saying that the businesses and individuals need to focus on continuous learning. And, that's what we can help out with. Some of that learning. If you want to learn how to use AI for your job, we've got 2 classes coming out. We've got 2 cohorts starting in September. Applied AI Level 1, which is the completely revamped experience based on what's happening now in AI and the levels that we see people come in on, and also AI Your Ops and AI Your Agencies starting 3rd week of September. You can register for those courses today. We've already got people registering. And I'm excited to teach the new classes this year because everybody's coming with a higher base level of information now, so we can do some more cool things in class. Perplexity did a big press grab and said that they were offering to acquire Chrome for $34 billion. And that's more money than Perplexity is worth. But it's these kind of press stunts that make big news. So it's this little guy, not little, I mean, they're still billions, but not as big as Google and Chrome would be. Just trying to make a name for themselves. They've been very good with press, very good with strategic partnerships, and getting the word out about Perplexity. And if they did own Chrome, That would be crazy because then they would have access to this huge ad platform. And I don't know how that would be. I'm not a big Perplexity fan. And I don't think they should own the browser either, but I just think it's a big press play and good for them. They were the headline story around the world for a moment. And the tools that we're featuring this week, Pictree.ai, and keep an eye out on socials. We have a little how to create a video from your URL on Pictree. And then Jockey, which is a platform where you can find podcasts and submit pitches so you can get booked on podcasts. We've used it and I've gotten booked on podcasts through it. And then, of course, Canva, which is the go-to steady graphic design tool. And they are continuously integrating more AI into it to help even novice designers make lovely images, brochures, videos. And if you're a good designer, it can make you be able to do your designs even faster. So in our applied AI course that we've got coming up, we'll do live weekly Zooms for 10 weeks. And then you'll also be invited to our AI office hours or our AI labs on Wednesdays, where we do experiments on AI tools for different functions. Today, we're going to be doing some reconciling of statements. So we're taking an Amex bill, and this is one of the things that I've done a lot before is take the credit card bill, ask AI to itemize everything as my accountant would. And it usually makes a nice list really quick. It's clean. I look it over and submit it. Well, this week it's not working so well in ChatGPT. So it's actually not working at all. It's terrible. So we're going to try it in Gemini. We're going to try it in Claude and see what's going on and what kind of prompting we have to do in order to get that same kind of result that was just a quarter ago so easy to get. And we're going to try it natively in Google Sheets and see how the AI is performing in Google Sheets right now. It should be able to categorize it. I don't know if it'll work yet. I'm not too hopeful on that one, but we'll give it a try. So every week we do these AI labs where we do news and we do some experiments inside the lab that are useful to you. And you can even bring your experiments to the lab. So that's what we've got for today. And we'll cut the news and on to the lab. All right. I'm gonna open this up in Gemini and see if it does it in Google, or I mean Google Sheets, and see if it will do it in here.